any kale that I bought from the store is bitter. It just never tastes the way it does when you harvest it from the garden when it's cold outside. And that's one thing you've got to really get used to when you're gardening is like there's this concept around growing what's right for that time. So kale grows best in the cold, tastes best in the cold. Technically, you can grow it deeper into the summer and you can keep it alive, but the taste becomes very bitter and you really don't like to eat, like I don't like to eat it during that time. So I try and eat things whenever they taste best. Kale is one of those things that tastes best in the early spring and all throughout the spring till it starts getting above like into the 90s and like upper 80s is when kale really starts to lose its flavor. But until then, it's a rock star for us. It does really well. It is in the same family as cabbage and broccoli, but doesn't have the same pest issues quite as bad. It seems like it's able to hold off the pests a lot better than cabbage and some of the other ones. So this is also one that sometimes we will just take some seeds and just sprinkle them outside directly. These ones we're starting this way because we want to be able to put them in that garden tower, and that garden tower gets even colder than the gardens outside right now because it's up in the air, it's not protected, and it wouldn't be able to handle like the seed starting wouldn't go well there. So we're getting a jump start on that by starting them in here.